Do you know that in 2023, LinkedIn reached 1 billion accounts? With LinkedIn getting 1 billion accounts, it becomes the most attractive platform to get a new job. Let me tell you 5 most common but highly ignored tips to make sure that you get your dream job with LinkedIn. Get a professional photograph clicked, which has at least 50% of your DP should be covered by your face. You put some keywords below your name which you want the job seeker to reach you with. Comment on posts of your target audience. That really matters. What is visible sells. So be visible. Very important, your profile should be complete. Complete means your skills should be added, your education should be there, your keywords should be there, and the organizations which you are part of. Put at least 3 of your projects or your work there as publications so that they can see what work you have done. Even if you are selected, your work should sell for you passively. I hope you follow these steps. Thank you.